Santa saw your Instagram and said you're getting clothes again this year. Sorry. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Today is Christmas Day. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. But there are other faiths that have a holiday on this specific day. So I am just going to tell you Happy Holidays. That little greeting that you saw in the beginning of this video is what we're going to talk about. I'm going to show you how to create it very easily, especially if you want to create one for your Instagram account, for instance. Okay, so let's cover it and see how it is done. First, we need to create the voice for that little character, okay? And we come here to clipchamp.com, and I will leave a link in the description for you. Now, once you get here, you have to log in, and you have two options. One is create a new video or create a video with AI. I have talked to you about creating a video with AI here, and let me tell you, it's not the best video. So I have other videos about it. Please check it out. Now we click on create a new video. So once you get here, you are going to go to record and create. And here at the bottom, you're going to choose text to speech. And here is where you type what you want the little creature to say. Now there are different voices here. So we have Adam, who is multilingual, Alessio, Amanda, and so on, okay? I am going to go with Brian, who is multilingual. Then on the right hand side, you're going to type what it is you want to type. Notice that at the very top, you can actually select a language or detect a language. And there are a lot of choices of languages here. And if you want to hear the voice, you can click to hear this voice right here.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
And then at the bottom here, once you have your text, you can preview.
Santa saw your Instagram and said you're getting clothes again this year. Sorry. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
So if you like what you heard, then you click on save. And then all you have to do is export. And it doesn't really matter the quality, because really all you're going to be using this is for the voice. So I'm going to go with the lowest one, okay? And there you go. So this is my video at the very top. I could have given it a title on the top left. I didn't. It's fine. Now I go to Adobe Express. Once I get to Adobe Express, and it's new.express.adobe.com, I will again put a link in the description for you. So you log into Adobe Express and you are going to be asked to log in, sign up, and you sign up. It's okay. It's free, so don't worry too much about it. And then what I wanted to do is I wanted to get my little sticky figure. So I find my sticky figure here. Notice that there are a lot of options right away for you until we get to the one that we want. It really is just a matter of whatever it is your preference. But in my case, I want the sticky figure. So there it is. Now, once you select the character, you want to select the background. I wanted this to be for Christmas, right? So my point here would be to find something to do with Christmas. Kind of interesting, say Starry Sky. Or something snowy, perhaps. Yeah, kind of interesting that we can't find anything here. I guess I may have to go with Starry Skies. Or there you go. He's at home. I can also move him back. And then the size, right? So this one here, if I want for Instagram, you can select, right? What do I want this for? So it could be Instagram, Facebook, X, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Snapchat, or TikTok. So if I went to TikTok, it's going to be 9:16. If I want it for LinkedIn, also 9:16. Facebook, also 9:16. So basically 9:16 seems to be the best one. And since you are going to go with for Instagram, this is what we're going to do. Now, the next one is the dialogue. What's going to be said? You could record it here, which is fine. And you can even enhance your speech right here. It makes your, this, when you enhance the speech, it makes your voice recording sound as if they were recorded in a professional studio. But in my case, I just wanted to upload, right, my recording that I just did and bring it here. So basically all it did was went to downloads and there it is, and I open. And it takes a little while until it does. Until it imports. This took about 2 minutes. And there it is. Now it's uploading the media and we can play.
Santa saw your Instagram and said you're getting clothes again this year. Sorry. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
And then, once it's done, all you got to do is download it. And you can then upload it to your Instagram. And there it is, everybody. I hope you can post your little sticky figure to your Instagram and Facebook and whatever it is you want. I hope you have the happiest holidays. And I will see you next week for the New Year edition. Until then, bye.